This video tutorial I will explain of method of EnumSet class which accept two enum elements. Here I have defined the class EnumSet demo, and here I have defined the enum as month. It has Jan, Feb, March, April and May. Here I am calling off method of EnumSet class and passing two enum elements March and Jan. This method returns EnumSet object, and this EnumSet contains these two enum elements. I am running this program. Here you can see the output. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more, and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.